Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita. In today's video, we'll see how to make black-eyed pea salad. This is also called as cowpeas, or local name of this is lobia. So this is how it is famous in India, and there are different names by which it is called across the country. This is one of the very humble pulse, I would say. This is very less included, I don't know why. In most of Indian recipes, this can be easily adjusted, and in salad, I have seen very minimal use of it, but when I tried it, I loved this. This was posted on my Instagram. Most of them loved it, and one of them even recommended me for a change in recipe, which I'll tell you later. Now to tell you about the benefits of cowpeas. Now if you're on diet, you are health conscious, you want to reduce that extra weight, then this is a must in your recipe list, because this helps in gaining muscle. It is protein rich, that's what you want. Now many of them ask me, why is protein required? Now I'm losing weight. If I include more of it, when will I digest and when will I lose my weight? Now while you lose weight, you have to do it consciously. If you lose that muscle as well, you will become very weak. That is what most Indian women do to ensure that they lose all that extra weight after festival. They stop eating, or they will eat one roti, or they will eat a little bowl of rice. What about your protein and fiber requirement? Now protein is needed for that muscle gain, and I mean fiber is needed to increase the metabolism. So you need to include a lot of fresh raw vegetables in your diet. Now this is rich in fiber. This is also rich in calcium. Cowpeas is also heart healthy. This is this is rich in micronutrients like folate, thiamine, copper. So what more would you want from a healthy, humble pulse, right? So let's dive right in and see how to make it. Make a delicious cowpea salad. This is the list of ingredients you'll have to keep ready to make this cowpea salad or lobia salad. At first, these are some soaked lobia. Actually, this does not need soaking. Sometimes you can even cook it for 4 to 5 whistles and it will be well cooked, but soaking is important, necessary for the nutrition factor. Now, along with it, I'm adding salt and water, and we'll pressure cook it for about 1 whistle if soaked, and if not, 3 to 4 whistles. I actually cooked for around 2-3 whistles and it is overcooked, because last time I felt it was dry and I wanted it to be softer this time. Okay, so one of our Instagram follower told me toss it in ghee and the paneer will be better. So then last time I tried it now, and yes, it was noticeable change, but you can skip this. This is totally optional. Toss it in ghee for a while and then to add it in salad, it will be super yum. Okay, so that's it. Now we will mix in all the ingredients which was found in the list. So this is cooked cowpeas or lobia or black-eyed peas, then fresh cucumber, this is onion, capsicum. You can customize and add your own favorite vegetables. This is ginger garlic paste, optional again, chili flakes, mixed herbs, chili powder, again if you want that spicy thing for your breakfast, olive oil, salt, and tossed paneer, some chopped coriander, and give it a quick mix. I'm adding lemon. This is optional, but definitely an ingredient to be added for enhancing the taste. So this is all done. Such a simple and nice recipe. It is as tastier as it looks. I'm sure you will try this. Our salad, cowpea salad. If you like this recipe, I have few recipe recommendation again for you who is health conscious and wants to lose that weight by eating healthy. Tapioca salad, you can check. This is again a simple recipe using tapioca, boiling it, and a very simple dish, I would say. Then you can check sweet corn paneer chaat. This is also easy to make, an amalgamation of all that you love, sweet corn and paneer, yet keeping it healthy. Soya chunk fry, this video had gone viral. Most of them tried it because they could also feed it to their child. They could make it for their toddler and for their kids snack box. This was again one yummy healthy recipe. Green gram salad with pomegranate. This was again something which most of them loved, and generally this is made in most of the household. If you don't know how to make it, try all these and I'm sure you would love. And in case you have not checked our shop, we manufacture and sell organic baby foods. That's the main thing I do. And also for toddlers, you will get pancake option. For older kids as well, you will get health drinks, cookies. For you, if you are a diet conscious parent, you can check granola and protein rich smoothie mixes. So all that can be found on our shop, and I'll leave the link below in the description box. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.